All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're gonna take a look at Toluna. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Can you earn PayPal money and other gift cards? And how much money can you earn versus your time? But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. Also, if you really want to learn how to make money online, check out my #1 recommendation in the top link in the video description below. There you can get free websites, free training, huge community of people to help you out. I'll talk about more about that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. That's my #1 recommendation for making money online. But let's take a look at this. This is Toluna Influencers, and they can pay you PayPal money and gift cards and things like that. Now, I recommend that you just check it out for yourself and you can decide for yourself. But I'm going to show you some things here. Basically, you just come here, you get started, sign up. You can use a mobile app. There's an iOS app and there's a Google Play Store app for Android. So basically, this site, you're going to be doing surveys and different things like that. And they will pay you. They do pay out. They have some, I think on the Android, 3.3 out of 5. And then on the Apple stores, 4.2 out of 5. So, and they do pay out. But the thing is here, you're gonna be spending lots of time making, doing reviews and surveys and stuff like that. And you could make 50 extra bucks a month working, doing a bunch of surveys. There's a frequent asked questions here. You can check this out. You get points. What are Toluna points? It goes through the whole thing here. Basically, when you earn 30,000 points, you may redeem them for rewards such as vouchers at great shops and brands, Facebook credits, and there's a reward center here as well that you can check out that has a bunch of different things. You can get PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, Redbox, all kind of other stuff, and they have sweepstakes and stuff like that. You're not going to make a lot of money doing this. It's something that you could definitely, like I said, I'm not here to tell you not to do it, but it's something cool to try out and see if it's for you. But again, you're not going to make tons of money. I think if you really want to learn how to make money online, you should try out my #1 recommendation in the link below, because there you're going to get free training, free websites that you can build, a huge community of very helpful people. It's a free membership. You don't even need a credit card or anything to sign up. It would definitely worth checking out. But anyways, this is just another survey kind of site that does surveys. I do lots of videos about these. It's a great way to make some extra cash, and it's definitely, like I said, it's definitely worth trying out for yourself. And just try it out. Like I said, there's a bunch of different reviews here you can check out as well. It's getting 4.2 out of 5, but as you can see, these are some kind of negative reviews here, but there are some good reviews in here as well. And and sometimes that's just the user itself. So like I said, just check it out. I'm rambling on, so I'm just check it out and subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. Like I said, check out my #1 recommendation in the video description below there. And that's all for today, and I will talk to you soon.